I've got some very important news to be discussing with you in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if cryptos are headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I am an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of the top cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know when I'm ready to buy and sell so that you guys can as well. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I go over your portfolio and a lot of other services. With the #1 profiting community on Patreon, you're going to want to get in fast before the price goes up and before all spots fill up. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit any amount, even just 1 penny, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. So see how much you win. And if you love cryptocurrencies, subscribe with the bell rung, tap that like button. It really does help with the growth of the channel. And what are you guys currently holding, and what do you want to hold more of, and why? With Dogecoin and Shiba Inu up right now, what's going on with these meme tokens? Well guys, they're actually giving us a sneak preview of what the rest of the top altcoins are about to do tomorrow. Guys, Bitcoin and Ethereum are about to make massive gains like we've never seen before. It's going to happen fast as well, so you want to be positioned very well before that does happen. With Ukraine-Russia invasion FUD, with the Fed raising interest rates, it's causing fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the crypto market space right now. And it's so important you know when to buy and sell, and that's why I let you guys know when we reach our cycle top and when it's time to buy and when it's time to sell on my Patreon, the #1 profiting community in the world. Guys, we've had a huge downtrend since November. Therefore, this is likely the bottom. Without turning back, we're likely to see massive green candlesticks for consecutive days in a row. The FUD, the fake news, Russia invasion, the Fed raising interest rates, this is all scaring people, putting fear in the marketplace. But of course, as Warren Buffett always said, you want to get greedy when people are being most fearful. That's how you make the most money at these times. 2 things are going to happen after the FUD announces this. Guys, because people use cryptos as a hedge against inflation, they will start putting more money into cryptos because they know that holding the US dollar is possibly one of the worst investments they could possibly make. However, it will be a bit of a slow process, and it will be a chain reaction and effect after about a week or 2. Guys, at first people may get fearful, selling out, the smaller retail investors having paper hands, literally handing their money on over to the millionaire and billionaire whales, causing another dip, once again giving us a great entry point, and the ones that hold with diamond hands will inevitably reap the rewards in the long run. Guys, we're about to break another strong support level for Ethereum, and once we do that, we will head up from there, taking a lot of the top altcoins along with it on its way to another all-time high. Guys, the volatility is very good. The volatility is what allows us to make money time and time again on my Patreon, because we only discuss the top altcoins that I have such confidence in, knowing that they've recovered time and time again, so that when you invest at these steep dips, you will make money due to the peak just after the dip, because with every peak we must have a dip, and with every dip we must have a peak. As a huge crypto article came out titled, "Inside the Bitcoin Laundering Case That Co-Founded the Internet." The arrest of Laya Lynch and Heather Morgan. Could this goofy couple be the internet's Bonnie and Clyde? Back in 2016, they stole $71 million worth of Bitcoin. With everything on the Bitcoin blockchain being exposed in public, people could see that that money was moving, but they didn't yet know who hacked it and who stole it. However, over this time, they've kept investigating the situation until they finally found out that even though that $71 million of Bitcoin was now worth several billion dollars in today's money, these people have been caught, which is very good because it only puts more confidence in the marketplace for people people to know that these folks are not only going to get caught, but security is also going to be increased around Bitcoin, around cryptos, around buying and selling them, which inevitably that confidence is only going to allow more growth in the market space over time. And guys, as we take a look at the Ethereum charts, because they are coupled up with the top altcoins, we can see that we are almost going parabolic. Right here, almost headed straight up. Guys, continuing to get higher highs and higher lows. It is incredibly steep as it goes up, guys, because when in doubt, zoom out. This is a massive cup and handle, and inevitably it broke out, breaking its level of resistance right here. Therefore, we're likely to hit all-time highs on Ethereum very, very soon. So you want to be ready for that when I call it out. You want to have some cash on the side to buy the dip when it's steep enough that I call it out, and be ready to sell when we reach our cycle top. So if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit even just 1 penny, you get 2 free stocks worth of $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you love cryptocurrencies, tap that like button, subscribe with the bell rung, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.